In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack workspace on the standard plan. Creating a workspace in Slack is a breeze, and I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can set everything up smoothly. To start, open your preferred browser or the Slack app and head over to the Slack Get Started page. You can find it by typing slack.com get started / create new into your browser's address bar. This page is the gateway to setting up your new workspace, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. Once there, you'll first need to enter your email address. This will be the primary email associated with your workspace, so double-check to prevent any typos that could lead to the wrong address. After you've confidently entered your email, click on the Continue button to move forward. Next, it's time to verify your email. Slack will send a confirmation code to the email address you provided, so head over to your email inbox and look for their message. The confirmation code is usually a short string of numbers and should be easy to spot. Copy this code, return to Slack, and enter it to verify your email address. Now that your email is verified, you'll find yourself on the page to create your workspace. Here you'll have the opportunity to truly customize and personalize it. Start by thinking of a name for your workspace, something that reflects the identity or mission of your team. Keep it simple and clear, as this will be visible to all team members. After naming your workspace, you'll need to choose a URL for it. This is typically in the format of your teamname.slack.com, so it's best to select something recognizable and aligned with your team's name. Remember, this will be the web address that all team members will use to access the workspace in the future, so make it memorable and practical. Next up is defining your team's purpose. This can be a short statement that describes what your team is about, whether it's for connecting colleagues, managing projects, or simply creating a space for collaboration. This description will help set the tone for your workspace and inform any new users about its primary function. Once you've set up these core details, Slack will prompt you to invite team members. If you're not quite ready to do this step, don't worry, you can always skip it for now. This option lets you quickly get your workspace up and running, and you can invite members later when you're ready to expand your team. Completing these steps establishes you as the workspace primary owner. This role grants you full control over workspace settings and management, allowing you to tailor the environment to suit your team's needs perfectly. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new Slack workspace.